Therefore, ruin my hair in the week. As I have it there, and then I do 3 on this side and 3 on the other side. I've never been to Brazil. All right, so thanks for the follow, Mary. Twist for years, but I think I recently figured out how to do it properly instead of just winging it. I think I just nailed it. Like this is the official. Works as a leave-in conditioner and it works as a cleansing conditioner. They also have the instructions on the bottle telling you how many minutes to leave it in for and the direct instructions of how to use it as a conditioner, as a leave-in conditioner, and as a cleanser. Okay, I would have wanted this to be more tight, so that when I go run errands, it looks kind of cool. I don't know. Anyway, let me just continue here. I have a YouTube channel called Johanna's Hair. I don't post much about hair on TikTok here. I do come in my live and do my hair, but to post, I don't post videos much about hair. But if you want to see more about hair and natural hairstyles, you could look for me by looking for Johanna's Hair, like the spelling of my name and hair. I hope I got this part straight tomorrow. To sometimes go wait to start using braiding gel to do this. It's gonna look so much more neat. And I finally figured out how to 2-strand flat twist. Yes, yes, yes. That's me. I need November of 2024, which was a lot. It's a lot here. Falling out. It goes to show you how much hair I have because it's still falling out and I still have hair on my head. Like a decent amount of hair. And I thank God for that. It could have been worse. Now, when Sabbath comes, or Saturday, for those who don't know what Sabbath is for me, I go to church on the seventh day of the week, not on the first day of the week, according to the Bible. Uh, it says God created the earth in 6 days, and on the seventh day He rested. And then the Ten Commandments tells us that I think it's the fourth commandment, tells us that we should not work or let other people work for us on the Sabbath days. So I go to church on Saturdays. So when Saturday comes, I let this out, and it really looks cute in the twist out. That's another reason why I got this. Okay, now I'm doing the other side of my head. For some reason, I find it kind of easier to part the back of my head than the front, even though I'm seeing the front. I know that's weird. We just wanted to go for the day, and we had to end up going to Orlando, which is Disney, but just the movie aspect of Disney, where they designed the entire park of movie themes like Fast and Furious, etc., etc. And we went through Miami Airport, and I think we rented the car from Hertz. So the female one here, but it looked really good. And I like when I see girls in their human hair looking all fly and stuff. So I had my hair, of course. I hardly wear hair. I mostly wear my hair. So my hair was up in one. I think I had it sleeked back in one in a ponytail with my hair. So I complimented her on her weave, and she's like, I wish I could wear my hair like yours, because she just doesn't know. A lot of women want to wear their natural hair, but they either don't feel confident in it or to do it, or they're just afraid of what society will say if they wear their hair, because society is so used to seeing black women in weave or in long hair. Even if you're not wearing a weave, your hair must either be, if you're wearing your hair natural, it must be in this nice updo or a nice twist out. Like, we always have to do everything nice to be accepted. Like, we always have to look so pristine. So she was telling me she would really love to wear her hair like mine, but she just doesn't know what to do with it. And I know a lot of women struggle plan your natural hair process or journey. All right, last two. Last two. I'm trying to get this part. Okay. I think I should do this one first. and then do that one. So just let me hook this way. Okay, now that I'm combing my hair, another is, and sometimes I would know better, but I forget. You know what I mean? All right, this one looks like it's gonna be better than the other one at the edge. I am hot. I can't wait to go in front of the fan. Or maybe just open the door and get some cool air. All right, this one looks better on the edge than this one. Bear, son. All right, this one, I did this one much better than how I did. I should do this one over, but the baby is acting up. See my edges there. I want to go get her before she starts crying, but I do want to finish my hair. Here we go. Now she's officially crying. But I'm almost done. I just have this one. I'm really getting a hang of the flat twist out. All right. I'm gonna have to finish up when I come on another live